So now let's talk about expanding our system and system backup. The Axis body-worn system has the ability to have a leader-follower setup, so I can easily expand my system beyond the 40 cameras. So let's say I want 80 cameras. What I would do is I would set up another W800, and I would say, instead of create, I would do extend an existing system. So I would need to set up a username and password. Because I'm extending a system, I'm going to have to tell this system what the lead controller's information is. So the main system controller's IP address is this one right here. Now that I've said connect, I will have to go back to the main system and I will have to accept this controller into the primary system. The primary controller will now share its information with this secondary system, and I can now add and expand all the cameras that are in this system and add them to my primary system. So you will start to see new cameras start to populate as they receive the firmware from the lead controller. While this is happening, another feature that you can enable once you have two W800s in one system is the ability to do a system backup. So over here, you can see that system backup is available. And if the lead controller ever goes down, the follower controller can be converted to a leader once this feature is enabled. So if I click configure, I can select the system controller that I want to be the backup controller. Click save. And now the lead controller will back up its information onto the follower. So again, if the leader ever goes down, I can quickly convert this follower to a leader. And you can see here what it is backing up. And now it has been updated. So if I go back, you can see more cameras are populating. I can add these cameras that are from that follower system into this primary solution and continue to grow my system. The W800 will max out at 1,000 cameras, so you should not have more than 25 W800s in a leader follower setup. You should not have more than 25 W800. The theoretical maximum for a leader follower setup is 25 W800s in one leader follower setup or 1,000 body worn cameras.